today I have some boxes from Michael's, and for those who are not familiar, Michael's is a home decor and crafting store. And at the end of every season, they have these grab bags and boxes, which are $5, and they come in a variety of different sizes, and you just don't know what's going to be in the boxes. You pay $5, and that's what I have here, 2 of the $5 boxes. All right, let's open these up and see what's inside. Okay, cool. It looks like a globe. I definitely need to brush up on my geography. So it says this item has been handmade by artisans. Each piece exhibits unique, one-of-a-kind qualities and workmanship. The price is $24.99, and it also says that it is for decoration. It's not for educational purposes. So I like it. That's pretty cool. So that's the first item in my $5 grab bag. Okay, so the next item is a house plant greenery pre-made prefab preak. I don't know how to pronounce that. $9.99, made by Ashland. And look at the dirt. That actually looks real. That's pretty cool. And then it's bendable. So yeah, or lifelike. I like that. Okay, it looks like some more greenery. Yep, I got some more of the plants. There's actually 6 of the same plant at $9.99 each. All right, so the next one looks like a craft, which is really cool because I have a glue gun coming free for review. So this has 180 beads, 12 foam shapes, 16 tinsel Chanel stems, 40 foam stickers, 30 glitter foam stickers, 4 glitter glue, which are 6 milliliters each, and 40 pom-poms. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm not normally a crafty person, but hey, maybe even as a gift to someone, I'm not sure exactly what I will do with it, but yeah, definitely. And this says that it's $9.99. Okay, so on to the next one. So this is heavy. This is a clay pot. This is a heavy clay pot. This retails for $24.99, and this is made by Ashland. It's a set, and it doesn't have any holes in the clay pot, so yeah, I could use it for decorative fake plants around the home. I do have cats, so something I have to consider. Can't have real plants with a kitten. And yeah, so it's got this wooden type of stand that comes with it. That's not really that sturdy, but it's kind of neat looking. Yeah, I like this one. I think this one is my favorite. And yeah, so $24.99 for the set. Cool. Okay, so the next one is, let's see, it's an activity sheet. It's 24 pieces. It says My Book Report, ages 3 and up, cost $1.99. Yeah, so I guess the kids could color it and use it as the book cover. It's the same on the front and the back, yeah, so for $1.99. So that's cute. All right, on to the next. So these are mini posters, 7.5 inches by 11 inches. $1.99 is the cost. There's a set of 2. A smile is the same in any language. On the back, one world, many colors. And it's a poster, so okay. 4 pieces, it says, inside each package. And again, that was $1.99. All right, so on to the next one. So this is a modern mini, is this like a dollhouse? Create your dream home. Decorate with wallpaper, paint, furniture, and accessories that are not included. This is a 7-piece. Oh, okay, yeah, so it would be to do that, I guess, to make a dollhouse. It has all the sizes, by inches and wide, and okay. I don't see a price on this one, actually, though. There was a price tag that fell off for $9.99, so I don't know if that was for this. All right, so let's see what's left in the bag. There's 4 items. Let me just take all 4 out here. All right, so this first item is 99 cents. It's a 12-piece. Decoratives. So there's 12 rockets. So I guess you just use those, maybe child's party or something, to hang 12 rockets. And then the next one is stars. $3.99, ages 6 and up. Takes 30 minutes. Tissue paper ornament kit. You get glitter, shapes, a bag of tissue paper, and 2 cords. Okay, so that's kind of neat. And then you have the hanging stars. Okay, so that's a cool little project. And this one's the same thing, $3.99, 6 and up, but this one is hearts. You get the glitter foam stickers, the 10 foam, the 2 shapes, a bag of tissue, and 2 cords. Okay, so those are some nice arts and crafts. And then this one looks like this is for me. This is nice. So this is $9.99 mini bouquet. That's by Ashland again. And yeah, you can just make your greenery arrangement. So what did you guys think of the first one? Pretty good? Nah, so-so? All right, so let me go ahead and open this second box and see what we have in this one. All right, pulling out the first item. I don't know what this is. It's $19.99. It's an Ashland summer table decor lake house. So does this say lake? So you kind of set it on top of the table and it says lake. Maybe that you're supposed to have. Maybe the other one says house. There's more in here. Maybe that's what it's supposed to do. I don't know. That one's lake. They're all lake. So 3 for lake, and they're $19.99 each. All right, on to the next. Looks like cutting boards. Keeping it rural. I can't say the word. All right, so they're $16.99 each. 3 of them here. So it's a sturdy cutting board. Just not sure of keeping it rural. But yeah, so I guess decorative. All right, so on to the next. We have some more of these modern mini room pieces for the dollhouse. Okay, so there's 2 more of those. So that means now that there's 3, but they look like they're all shaped the same. So, yeah, I don't know. All right, so on to the next are some more of the cutting boards. So there's a total of 5 cutting boards at $16.99. All right, so on to the next. It looks like it's more of the dollhouse. This one is in a different shape in the square. So we've got the one with a pointy top, the square. None of them have prices. Now this is a larger one, a townhouse. That's pretty neat. Yeah, so for someone who's interested in making their child a dollhouse, I have the kit here. And then this is just a second one. So there's 2 of the one that's shaped like a townhouse. And then another greenery arrangement, which is priced at $9.99. So that was my 2 $5 boxes. I paid $10.60. I guess I could have done better. You know, there may have been more things in there, like the wreaths for the door and things that I may have preferred. But I still think it's worth it. It's pretty cool. I might, see if I can get back up there and see if there's any more left. They do run out quick. The store by my house was out at 9 o'clock in the morning. People were lined up outside the door, so I had to go to a different city. But what do you think? It's a nice box, lousy box, or so-so. Let me know in your comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.